So to add devices to a WAC, first of all, we've added the WAC to the facility. First of all, we've created a facility, we've added a WAC, and then we're going to add devices to the WAC. Again, those devices that we've talked about previously have radios in them, and what we're going to do is actually open up the WAC, if you will, and then receive those devices into the system. So to do that within DCS, we're going to discover the devices. So if you see the Discover tab here, we're going to select that. And then you're going to select the gateway to which you're going to scan from. Notice we only have one gateway here, the WAC2 that we added to the system. There could be multiple gateways that will be in your facility, so therefore you want to make sure that you either select all the ones that are appropriate to what you want to scan in. Okay, so we're going to select WAC2. We can set a duration of how long we want to scan within the system. But for right now, we're just going to keep it at its default of 1 hour. We can start and stop this scan anytime we want to. So I'm going to start the scan, and we should start seeing devices come in after about a minute. As you can see, I start the scanning, and it's now scanning for devices. So you'll see this radio icon illuminating here, and so what it's actually doing now is receiving in receiving any devices that may come up. As you can see, we've started to pull in devices from the scan. We can also plan devices. If you know how many devices, and you should know based upon the workbook information, you can plan how many devices that can pull into the system. So what we want to do here is add a device model. Let's say it's a WA100, and I know that I have 30 of those. I can plan for those 30 devices to come in. So now you'll see within the system that I'm planning for 30 WA100s to come in. Of course, I can edit that at any time or delete that. And I can also assign those WA100s that have come in so far to a particular zone. We'll get to that in another video. But as of now, you can see that we've scanned in 6 devices, and if we hit Show Details, you can see what actual devices have come in. And you can pull up the installation guide to show you how to reset Daintree devices.